Good evening, everybody. It is Wednesday. I'm in Brighton. I'm with Rhiannon. I flew from New York to London, drove to Drove to Southampton, stayed there a couple of days with my uncle, and then I came on the train to Brighton today, and I met Rhiannon, and we're in a really good mood because I love Brighton, and look at this view behind me.
It's so pretty.
And now we're walking to a pub to have a British pub meal.
Bangers and mash, I'm keen.
Oh, I'm excited. I'm so happy that I'm here. So we've just come for a little stroll down the beach trying to find a nice place for dinner, and the Brighton Pier has been turned into like a carnival for the summer, I'm pretty sure. Like behind me, look at the rainbow. It's so nice. We're gonna have a look here and then find a pub. Pub. We have found ourselves a cheeky little pub, and I have got myself bangers and mash. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this. Can you tell that I'm in England? Ree, what have you got? Chicken melt, something?
Barbecue chicken melt.
Look at that. I am so hungry. I'm gonna demolish this. BRB. Good afternoon, everybody. It is now Thursday, and we've just had a very relaxing morning, just chilling, getting ready, and now we've gone for a cheeky little walk. My phone died last night while we were at dinner, so I didn't actually vlog anything else, but we just went grocery shopping and then came home and went to bed, so it's not that exciting anyway. It's actually rather warm, given that it's England, which is very nice. We've walked a grand total of about 100 metres. But we've come to the famous Brighton bandstand here. We'll take us a couple of cheeky photos. Look at this blue sky, blue water, rocks instead of sand, because that's England. So nice. I really don't understand a beach with rocks and not sand. As an Australian, I'm used to very nice beaches with very nice sand. This is such a foreign concept. Taken a nice stroll down the beach, and we came across a mini golf course. So, oh, where you are? There you are. So we're gonna play.
Let's go.
Look how cute this is. Under the sun, it's beautiful.
Like, honestly though.
You got this, Ree. I believe in you. I believe in you. Half decent. Alright, you got it. I mean, you're close. Yeah, what was that? No way. Oh no! Where is it? It's in the bloody water. Wow, rip. Awesome. Do I have to start again?
No. You can come back in here. Do we want to just do a penalty? Or do we just...
Yeah.
Or not?
Just add one. How do I do my foot. Wow. My dad would be severely disappointed in me right now.
I'm disappointed in you right now. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Thank you.
Woo!
That was like 5. Wow.
I mean... Woo! What was that? 3.
We've come to the end of the course. There's 19th hole here to get rid of your ball. We've both done very well and very terribly. Yeah. So we'll see how the score comes out. You filming?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm yet to get a hole in one, so we'll see how this goes. Damn it.
Alright, show us how it's done, Ree. Yeah, that was worse than mine. Look at that. Exactly 51 points each. I mean, like,
It's a solid effort.
yeah.
It's a solid effort from both of us. I mean, you did get a hole in one, so you probably win. Alright, lunchtime. Look at this nice little spread we've got here. Slushies, chips, an actual sausage roll. I have missed sausage rolls way too much. Got lunch with a beautiful view of the beach. Look at that. Living my best life right here, right now. It has been a good couple of hours. We were sat at lunch talking for so long. It was so nice. But it's now 4 o'clock. So now we're just heading back towards our hostel, making the trek back there. And then, I don't even know what we're doing. What are we doing? We don't know. We have no idea. So we kind of just migrated from the place that we had lunch to the beach and sat here for an extra 2 hours talking. All we've done today is play some mini golf and chat, and it's been so lovely. Ray was just saying, because when we go to London, it's going to be busy. So it's been really nice just kind of chilling out, and we're going to go get some dinner tonight. Probably do some of the same tomorrow. Look at this view behind me. Got the stones, the boats, buildings, the beach right here. So relaxed.
Look at this. This whole view just makes me happy. So does this view. Aww.
Haley, you're too cute. Stop it. I hate having to vlog on my phone because my camera's not on me, so I forget to vlog all of the time. So we went back to the hostel and we watched Angus Thongs and Perfect Snogging, the movie, because iconic. Also, part of it was filmed here, so we just had to. And now we've come out to dinner. We're at Jamie's Italian restaurant, which is like one of my favourite restaurants back at home. And I saw it was here and I got way too excited, so now we're here. And we've just ordered some yummy food and I'm so excited and I'm so hungry. Look at this bad boy. Look at that. Excited. I'm so hungry. It's late. It's almost 1 a.m. We went and bought cake. This is the remnants of our cake. And we've been sitting here chatting to some of the other people that are staying here for like 2 hours. It's been very nice. Have you actually booked anything?
I booked my flight.
Okay. Ree had to book things for the rest of the trip and she's done one thing. So I reckon we're going to go to bed soon-ish, maybe. Maybe? Yeah, maybe. We'll see you all tomorrow morning for our last day in Brighton.
Oh yeah. The Odyssey. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody. It is now Friday. It is our last full day in Brighton today. It may or may not be rude. It may or may not be almost 3 p.m. and we've just left.
May or may not have spent half the day sleeping.
Yeah, we kind of didn't go to bed until 3:30 last night because we were just sitting out like in the lounge room just chatting to like different people, which is really nice. Just meant a very late night. We're currently walking towards Hove, which is like the next town over from Brighton, because there's like some beach huts along the beach that I just want to look at because it's cool. And then later we're going to go to the lanes, which is like a little shopping area. And then we're going to fish and chips on the beach. And then I think we might be going out tonight. Fun day ahead.
Here we go. We found the iconic beach huts. There's so many of them. I thought there was going to be like a row of like 10, but I'm easily looking at like 100. There's so many. They're cute though. It'd be nice to hire one in the summer when it was warm.
We have left the beachfront now and we've come into what's called the lanes. It's pretty much just like little lanes with shops. It's really cute. Just kind of wandering around here a bit. Oh, let's go this way because I've seen a donut shop and I want to look inside. I am feeling so lethargic right now. Like everything's moving slowly. So I bought myself a donut. Ree's getting herself a coffee right now and we're sat in this cute little courtyard. It's here. It's nice and sunny. Just kind of gonna chill out for a bit. Can pick my energy back up. So Ree and I seem to be making a habit of just sitting down somewhere and then talking for like 2 hours. So it's a bit later now. We sat in that little courtyard for ages just chatting, and now we have come down to the beach, got ourselves some fish and chips. We're just gonna sit here. The sun is going down over here. Beautiful. Birds everywhere. The seagulls in Brighton are about 4 times the size of what they are back home in Australia.
Yeah.
They're huge.
They're like birds on steroids.
They are indeed birds on steroids. Can I get that to focus? Oh, now you can't see us. All right, cool. We're gonna sit here and enjoy this.
Look at how pretty the sunset is. That's just awesome. Got some bird friends. Oh, that was rude. Got some bird friends with us. This one here looks like it could kill me. Look at it. Oh my god. Mate. This one's freaking out on us.
I would say like 70%.
There's like, oh my god, look how many there are. Go away. You can't have any of my chips. He's stalking. We should name him. 3, 2, 1.
Frederick.
Frederick, can you leave us alone? Thank you. Frederick, what do you think you're doing? What a really freaky looking bird.
Right?
I'm gonna throw a rock and see if Frederick follows it. Frederick, look, it's a chip. Boy. Smart bird. Frederick, you having a bit of a midlife crisis there, buddy? He's not happy. So this group of people left their food, and that's what happened. Oh, there's Frederick. Found him. There he is. Having a midlife crisis again.
Frederick's camouflage.
Yeah. Oh my god! Ah! No! Frederick, shut up! Stop! bird just came and took it straight out of the box. And Frederick started freaking out again. You are bad. What are we naming him? Oi, go away.
You come up with a name. 3, 2, 1.
Gerald, you're a bad bird. I don't like Gerald. He stole my chip. Don't act all sweet and innocent. I know what lies underneath that cute exterior. Evil.
Hey, so it's kind of the next day and we're kind of in London now. After our little run-in with Frederick and Gerald, the evil pigeons, seagulls. We went out with some of the other people in our hostel and had a very fun night. One that I could not vlog. And then this morning we just caught the train to London. So that was pretty much that. Now we're here. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm gonna do a new vlog when we're in London. I'm so excited to be here. Yay. So thank you all so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.